To be honest with you, if you own a house, you do not stop thinking of what else do you want to do with it. So one of my plans is to upgrade the kitchen. This kitchen, it's so outdated, and I think it's time now to upgrade it. You know, no, not we. Mr. Max spent a lot of time in the kitchen, and I want him to have a nice kitchen area. So I want to upgrade our kitchen for Mr. Mags to use because he spent most of his time in our kitchen, and I want him to enjoy it more. So he is very passionate of cooking and preparing some nice meals for me and the kids. So he deserves it. So guys, join us while we are preparing for the refurbishment of our kitchen. Guys, good morning. I am having a very busy day again. I was packing up more stuff from the kitchen because I've got contractors coming in to do my skylight, and I also have the delivery of the kitchen units. So I did not really realize how much stuff they're going to deliver. They sent a big truck. Look at that truck. Oops, look at my fingers. That is my infected finger. So let's use the other one. Let's do like this. Look at that. Yeah, so that is actually the truck that they use to deliver all my kitchen units. And there's loads of boxes, and there's a lot, but anyway, I'll show you. It's because that it all occupy my extension, and I have nowhere to move anymore. More mess mess everywhere when you are having refurbishment of your house. You want to have a nice house, then bear the mess. That will be my temporary kitchen. Look, I have my microwave, my kettle, and my rice cooker next to my television while I'm watching TV. That's where I'm eating my food. Yeah. Here guys, look, my extension is full of boxes already. I don't know what's happening. Look at that. It's just like a storage. Oh my god, what's that? As you can see, I'm just sitting here in the corner. It's because I do not have any space in my house. Everything got something for the refurbishment of my kitchen. Now my kitchen is in a mess. It's because that the contractors has taken down the ceiling and replacing the roof, and then my extension is full of the kitchen units. They delivered it today because they're going to start doing that on Monday. And guys, no space. It stressed me out. I have terrible headache. I am taking the paracetamol for my headache. I am stress eating. Poor Mr. Mags. I keep on asking him to go out to buy some food for me. It's because that I am just sitting here in the corner. I cannot even move around in my house. This is the price of my decision of refurbishing my kitchen. The cost is lesser than the stress that I am experiencing right now. I do not like dust. I do not like mess. I do not like untidy stuff. So that's why I think I'm having a headache. It's because I cannot move. I do not have, oh, everything is gone. Every freedom, my freedom is gone in this house because of this refurbishment. Oh my goodness. If this kitchen is not going to come out as what I expect, goodness me. But anyhow, this is why it is, guys. I want to have a beautiful kitchen for Mr. Mags, and I want to upgrade stuff in my house. And but you have to tolerate all of this mess. But guys, you know what? It's good to have new things, especially if the house is so outdated and you want to upgrade it, then you just have to tolerate everything. Guys, I will show you and I will share every single thing with you until the whole kitchen is going to finish, and you can tell me what do you think about it. All right, guys, so I'll see you next time. Bye.